Nag-video nga ako eh. Yeah, lagyan mo ng flash ang sarili mo. Ayan po. Kiana, si Faye, si Ten. Vitamilk.
Bago.
Yes. Pang kalendaryo. Sa'yo, ikaw na lang mag-picture. Pang ano ko tayo, pang vlogging.
Walang sisigaw sa inyo, oh.
Yes, so naabot. Tadaan! Maghahanap na siya. Sweet potato bacon. Siyempre, kailangan naka-document.
Edit ka, no? Edit ka.
So, nanood lang ako ng sayaw ni Eunice kasi may competition sila today. And, I went to the church and I got my package na sa baba. Tada! I really love my fit for today. Like, excuse my room, okay? Yeah. It's like that. Headband. That looks perfect. I'm gonna prep my lips na din. Ubus na yung lip serum ko. I don't know if you can use it ng how many times. Pero I feel like kung sinabi nilang one time lang yung use, hindi mo talaga siya pwedeng anuhin. Kasi yeah, it's unti lang pala. I'm planning pa naman na tipirin siya. Tapos half-half lang. Mahal to. Kailangan natin simutin. Okay. So, there's like, hindi ba kasi matapon. So, I'm gonna, like, look guys. It's mixing well. This is my first time trying a mask like this, actually. And look at the consistency. It smells like a fruit. I just know what. But, yeah, it has this very subtle smell lang, na parang fruity, pero not so much. Gana. So, tingnan nyo. Ganito lang talaga siya. So, I think your whole face will be covered talaga, and yun lang yung kaya niyang i-cover, not like dalawang gamit. So, yeah, this is like the serum that you apply before putting these. See what it looks like. I assume this is just transparent. No, it's not really transparent. It's like malabo siya na color. Apply it to my face. I also got the Mediheal toner pads, actually. This one smells really great. I got the toner pads kasi nakalma niya talaga yung super nag-aalboroto kong pimples. As in, mas malala pa before. Ito bakas na lang to eh. Ito isa na lang siya. It applies smoothly. Smooth naman siya i-apply, guys. I'm feeling pretty vlogger. Hati naman tayo. Potato Giant. Ito na naman po yung date ko. Ito na mag-girl. Parang nahuli kang kumakain na ano. Chef!
Parang 2 hours ako naghintay na na.
Remind ko lang po na pakibulit po lahat ng mga reasonings niyo kung bakit siya yung napili niyo na winner.
Hi girls! Hey! Trish! Ako nga rin. Ito sa akin nawawala. Natatakpan. Hail to the... Hey girls! What's up? Ano may tsura? Si Trisha, si Janela. Trader po siya, tinanggal niya ng aming badge of honor. Badge of honor saan? Hey. Shades mo! Nakayin mo. Wait lang. And the girls from the Lasolian.